Hey guys, so today I'm gonna have 4 fidget spinners and I'll review them real quick. So this one's like a cool lightning one. And this is like, I don't know, volcano. And it's really like orange and red on the sides. And I got this just plain red one. Then I got this emoji one. So anyways, we're gonna have them in teams, so like this. It's volcano and red versus lightning and emoji. Okay, so let's go. So here starts the battle. We'll spin all of them, then they'll start. Okay, 3, 2, 1. First is lightning and red. See who can spin the longest. And it was red that won, so he goes to the finals. And he's out. And now it's these two. I think Emoji's gonna win. Oh, he didn't. I touched it, and then so he's a goner. So they're versing now. Okay, final 2. Red versus fire. Okay. Let's see. And volcano wins. Dun dun dun. Woo! He won. So his prize is 1 of lightning fidget spinners bearings. Here you go.